Turkey's one of the largest door manufacturing company, Erdoor, is now in Africa. Your houses will look aesthetic and quality doors with Erdoor. Erdoor, within the body of Ergünbaş Group, set out in 2011 to carry the story of wood, which has taken different forms through centuries, to future generations. Today, it operates with more than 600 employees on 3 continents and manufactures wooden composite door and door components. 18,000 square meter factory located in Turkey, as well as covered area of 22,500 meters production facility in Algeria, which makes the total daily production of 2,000 doors and doors components. Erdoor, which has the title of being the largest manufacturer of wooden composite door and door components in the Middle East, Africa and the Balkans, leads its sector by actively exporting to 25 countries. Erdoor works with great devotion at every stage of production and marketing process and continues its works with an understanding based on customer satisfaction, with expanding its production range day by day. Erdoor has a wide product range in the production of wooden composite interior doors. It is one of the leading brands in the Middle East, Africa and Balkans, with experienced staff specialized in this field. Erdoor product, it has a high standard with designs, aesthetics, ease of use and quality aspect. Thanks to these features, Erdoor products have obtained qualification certificate from many quality standards. You can contact us through the WhatsApp line that right on the screen to cooperate with our company to carry Erdoor quality to your country. Contact us now.